Linking pages in Confluence allows users to easily navigate between related content. You can create internal links within a Confluence space or link to pages in other spaces. Here's how to link pages in Confluence. Edit the page. Go to the Confluence page where you want to insert the link. Click on Edit to open the page in editing mode. Add a link using the Link tool. Highlight the text you want to link or place your cursor where you want the link to appear. Click on the link icon in the toolbar or use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K or Command+K. Link to an internal page. In the link dialog box, type the name of the page you want to link to. Confluence will display a list of matching pages within the space or other spaces. Select the correct page from the list. Linking to pages in other spaces. To link a page in another space, enter the space key followed by a colon and the page name. Select the page when it appears in the suggestions. Save and publish. Click Insert to add the link, then Publish to save your changes.